Hello, my dear friends. I am very happy to see you here today. Thank you for giving yourself this special time. Life today is very fast. People are always busy. We wake up and run to work. We check our phones many times. We hurry to finish tasks. We think about what is next. Sometimes we forget to enjoy the moment. We forget to feel happy in simple things. Today, we will talk about something very important. Why you should slow down your life. Slowing down does not mean doing nothing. It means living fully. It means feeling your life. It means noticing the small joys around you. I want you to imagine something with me. Imagine a river. The water flows very fast. It hits rocks and makes loud noise. The water is strong, but it is not calm. Now imagine a different river. The water moves slowly. It is clear. It is peaceful. You can see the fish swimming. You can hear the birds around. The water feels soft and quiet. Which river would you like to drink from? Which river would you like to swim in? Life is like these rivers. When we rush, life feels noisy and stressful. We feel tired. We feel worried. We may even forget important things. When we slow down, life feels peaceful. We can see beauty. We can enjoy small moments. We feel calm inside. Slowing down also helps us think clearly. When we hurry, we make mistakes. We forget things. We feel stress. When we move slowly, we see more. We notice more. We make better choices. We feel better. We can enjoy every moment. So today, I want you to remember this. Slowing down is not lazy. Slowing down is smart. Slowing down is caring for your mind and heart. Life is short, my friends. Every moment is special. Every moment is yours. Take it slowly. Feel it fully. Enjoy it. Even a small pause can change your day. Take a deep breath. Look around. Smile. Feel the calm river inside you. You are here. You are alive. And this moment is beautiful. Why do we rush, my friends? Look around you. Everyone is moving fast. People wake up early in the morning. They go to work quickly. They check their phones many times. They hurry to finish tasks. They want to do everything today and even tomorrow. Life feels like a race. We are always busy. We do not stop. Even when we eat quickly. Even when we walk fast. We think that moving fast is the only way to live. Sometimes we rush because we are afraid. Afraid we will lose time. Afraid we will not reach our goals. Afraid we will miss something important. Fear makes us hurry. We think that if we slow down, we will lose something. But rushing does not bring real success. Rushing brings stress. It makes our hearts beat fast. It makes our minds tired. Other times, we rush because it is a habit. From the moment we wake up, we start running. We drink coffee quickly. We check messages on our phone. We look at emails. We think about work. We think about tasks. We start moving fast without even noticing it. It becomes our normal way of life. We forget to stop. We forget to breathe. We forget to enjoy the day. Rushing feels normal, but it is not natural. Nature never rushes. Trees grow slowly. A small seed becomes a big tree slowly. Flowers bloom slowly. Even the sun rises slowly in the morning. Even the sun sets slowly in the evening. Mountains do not move fast. Rivers flow slowly in many places. Nature has its time. Everything has its pace, but we do not follow it. We try to do everything fast. We want to grow fast. We want to succeed fast. We want to finish tasks fast. We forget that life is not about speed. Life is about feeling, living, and noticing small moments. Sometimes, Rushing makes us forget ourselves. We forget our health. We forget our feelings. We forget our happiness. We forget to smile. We forget to enjoy a cup of tea. We forget to watch the sky. We forget to listen to music. We forget to talk with friends slowly. We forget that life is made of simple moments. Friends, rushing is like running on a road with no end. You move fast, but where are you going? You feel tired, and you do not see the beauty around you. When we slow down, we see life differently. We notice small things. We enjoy small things. We feel calm. We feel peaceful. So today, I want you to remember this. It is okay to slow down. It is okay to move a little slower. It is okay to take your time. Life is not a race. Life is your river. Move with your river. Flow slowly. Enjoy the moments. Watch the sky. Feel the wind. Listen to your heart. These are the gifts you can get when you stop rushing. When we hurry, my friends, we lose many things. These things may seem small, but they are very important. Life is made of small moments. When we rush, we miss these moments. We miss the little joys that make life beautiful. We lose moments of joy. Imagine eating your food very fast. You chew quickly, swallow quickly, and finish. Did you feel the taste? Did you enjoy the food? Maybe a little, but not fully. Or imagine walking outside. You go fast to reach your destination. You do not notice the birds singing. You do not feel the warm sun on your face. You do not feel the soft wind on your skin. Life is there, my friends, but we do not see it. We miss it because we are too busy moving fast. We lose peace and health when we hurry. Rushing makes our hearts beat faster. We feel stress inside our body. Our minds feel tired. We may feel nervous or worried. Our bodies do not get rest. When we rush, we make more mistakes. We forget things. We drop things. We speak too quickly and say things we do not mean. Stress builds inside us slowly, but we do not notice it until we feel very tired or sick. We also lose our connections with people. Maybe you sit with your family or friends. Maybe you talk to them, but your mind is somewhere else. You are thinking about work, tasks, or messages on your phone. They are there, but you are not. They feel it. They feel your hurry. We miss the happiness of simple conversations. We miss smiles, laughter, and understanding. We miss the love around us because we are always moving fast. Rushing does not make life better. Many people think that if they do everything quickly, they will have more time. But it is not true. When we rush, life becomes smaller. We do not feel the beauty around us. We do not enjoy our friends, family, or the world. We do not feel calm. We do not feel happy. We do not feel alive. Life passes by too quickly, and we forget the small things that make life meaningful. Slowing down is not lazy. Slowing down is living fully. When we take time, we see more. We notice more. We feel more. We enjoy small things. We taste our food. We listen to the birds. We feel the wind. We feel love from people around us. We feel peace inside our heart. Friends, think about this. Life is short. Every moment is special. If we hurry all the time, we miss our life. But if we slow down even a little, we can see, feel, and enjoy the world. We can feel happy, healthy, and peaceful. We can feel I. So today, I want you to take one slow moment, just one. Breathe slowly. Look around, smile, feel life. This is the power of slowing down. This is the gift we give ourselves when we do not hurry. Slowing down is very powerful, my friends. When we slow down, life becomes clearer. We see more things around us. We hear more sounds. We feel more with our heart. When we are always rushing, we miss many things. But when we move slowly, even small things become beautiful. A smile from a friend, a cup of warm tea, the smell of flowers, the sound of birds, everything feels better. We can enjoy life more when we slow down. Slowing down helps our mind. When we are busy and always in a hurry, our mind feels heavy. We cannot think clearly. We forget things. We make mistakes. But when we slow down, our mind becomes calm. We can think clearly. We remember better. We can make good decisions. We can solve problems more easily. Our mind feels light, peaceful, and strong. Slowing down also helps our heart. When we rush, our heart feels stress. Sometimes we feel worried, nervous, or tired. When we slow down, our heart feels calm. We feel happy inside. We can enjoy small moments. A simple walk, a quiet morning, a friendly smile. These small moments bring joy to our heart. Slowing down helps our focus too. When we hurry, we cannot pay attention to one thing. Our thoughts are everywhere. We do not finish tasks well. But when we slow down, we focus on one thing at a time. We do our work carefully. We speak slowly and clearly. We listen to others more. Our work becomes better. Our life becomes better. Slowing down also gives us more energy. When we rush, our energy disappears. We feel tired quickly. We feel empty inside. But when we slow down, our energy grows. We feel stronger. We feel ready to face the day. It is like saving water in a bottle. If we rush, water spills everywhere. If we move slowly, water stays in the bottle and we can use it when we need it. Slowing down helps us enjoy life. We notice small things that we miss when we are busy. We notice the colors of the sky. We notice the sound of leaves. We notice the taste of food. We notice our own feelings. We notice the people around us. Life becomes more meaningful when we slow down. Friends, slowing down is not doing less. It is living more. It is seeing more. It is feeling more. It is enjoying more. When we slow down, we feel calm, happy, and alive. Our mind is clear. Our heart is peaceful. Our energy grows. Every day becomes beautiful. So today, try to slow down for a little while. Take a deep breath. Look around slowly. Listen carefully. Smile. Enjoy this moment. The power of slowing down is real. It can change your day. It can change your life. Now, let's talk about small habits you can do every day to slow down your life. These habits are simple, but they can make a big difference. You do not need to change everything at once. Just start small. One small habit every day can help you feel calm, happy, and alive. In the morning, try a morning moment. When you wake up, do not rush. Take 1 or 2 deep breaths. Feel your body waking up slowly. Drink your tea or coffee slowly. Feel the warmth in your hands. Feel the taste in your mouth. Enjoy the moment. This small habit helps you start the day calmly. It sets the tone for the whole day. When you walk, try to walk slowly sometimes. Do not think about tomorrow or yesterday. Just notice the world around you. Look at the sky, look at the trees. Listen to the sounds, birds, wind, or even quiet streets. Feel your feet on the ground. Walking slowly helps you feel the moment. It helps your mind relax. It gives your body calm energy. Learn to say no sometimes. We say yes too often. Too many tasks, too many meetings, too many messages. Saying yes all the time makes us busy and tired. It takes away our calm. Saying no is not selfish. It protects your time. It protects your peace. It helps you focus on what is really important. Take short pauses during the day. Stop for 1 or 2 minutes. Close your eyes. Breathe slowly. Feel your body. Feel your heartbeat. Feel life around you. Even these small pauses make a big difference. They refresh your mind. They give your energy back. They help you feel alive again. Notice little joys. Life is full of small things that make us happy. Smile at a friend. Watch a bird flying. Taste your food slowly. Listen to music carefully. Notice a flower or a tree. These little joys are everywhere. When we rush, we miss them. When we slow down, we enjoy them fully. Now, I want you to imagine something. Imagine a day where you move slowly. You wake up slowly. You eat slowly. You walk slowly. You talk slowly. You take small pauses. You notice small joys. At the end of the day, you feel calm. You feel happy. You feel alive. This is not a dream. You can do it. You can slow down. Slowing down does not mean you do less. It means you live more. It means you enjoy more. It means you feel life deeply. Friends, start with one habit today. Take a deep breath. Enjoy your morning tea. Walk slowly. Notice one small joy. Little by little, your life will change. You will feel calm. You will feel happy. You will feel full of energy. Every day will be more peaceful and beautiful. Slowing down is a choice, and it is a powerful choice. My dear friends, life is not a race. You do not need to hurry all the time. Slowing down is a choice, and you can choose it today. Start with one small habit. Take 1 minute to pause. Drink a cup of tea slowly. Walk slowly and notice the world around you. Each day, slow down a little more. Slowly, you will feel life differently. You will feel peace, joy, and energy. Remember, a calm river is strong. It moves slowly, but it goes far. It nourishes life, and it is beautiful. Be like that river, slow, calm, strong, and full of life. Take a deep breath. Smile. Enjoy this moment. Choose to slow down and feel your life fully. Every small step matters, and it will bring you more happiness and calm. Life becomes more beautiful when you move slowly and notice the world around you.